Top 10 Things Science Got Totally Wrong. Number 10. Growing lambs. Although the Greeks were ahead of their time in many ways, they held a crazy belief that you could grow lambs on trees. This belief allegedly arose out of stories coming from the Indies, where people described trees on which wool grew. The idea of lambs growing on trees persisted well into the 1600s. Number 9. Time is constant, not since Einstein. When he showed that light was the only constant, the world thought he was crazy. These days, however, NASA has to adjust its clocks because time runs differently depending on how far you are from a source of gravity and how fast you are going. In fact, a clock at sea level ticks faster than a clock at the top of the Empire State Building. Number 8. Complex organisms equals more genes. Scientists used to think that humans have around 100,000 genes. One of the most surprising things to come out of the Human Genome Project was that we in fact have only about 20,000. And the crazy part? Some tiny moss plants have more than 30,000. Number 7. Water only found on Earth. As NASA recently discovered, there is more water on Jupiter's moon of Europa than there is on our own planet. Number 6. Apes, the smartest non-human animal. According to recent research, birds are quite intelligent. In fact, some studies have shown them to be even smarter than apes. Number 5. King Tut's death. In 2006, historians found evidence that King Tut had died in a chariot accident. In 2014, however, scientists discovered that he had in fact died because of inbreeding. Number 4. Intelligence of Neanderthals. In the past, it was thought that Neanderthals died out because Homo sapiens were smarter. New evidence contradicts this. According to researchers, Neanderthals may have even been more intelligent than our human ancestors. Why did they die out then? We're not quite sure. Number 3. The speed of universe expansion. The prominent view of the cosmos until recently was that the expansion of the universe is slowing down because of gravity. In the 1990s, however, new evidence shows that the expansion of the universe was in fact speeding up. Number 2. Dinosaurs had leathery skin. Actually, scientists have now come to the conclusion that they were mostly covered in feathers. Number 1. Alchemy. Although Sir Isaac Newton made massive contributions to physics, he remained convinced that he could convert base metals into gold. Thanks to alchemy, however, today we have chemistry.